Alright, so 9:30 open. We've just, well, here's 9:30 open now. Before the open, we've just shot straight up. So we're probably going to go for this buy side. Well, we've taken this buy side. There's this buy side, and then, oh, that's in the wrong place. And there is a daily fair value gap up here on the daily. Here. So there's your daily fair value gap. Looking at the 15-minute, we've got this 15-minute fair value gap here, which was created before the open. ES. For ES, it's sort of the same premise. If we go on the daily, I mean, yeah, fuck. I mean, there's not really any targets on the daily for ES. It's at the weekly. So ES at all-time highs. Obviously stronger than Nasdaq. But I'd be looking for this to get filled and then go for this buy side and this daily fair value gap. Look for our S&T. Here we go. On the 1 minute. Do we have an opening range gap? We do. We have a massive opening range gap. Let me actually mark this out on NQ. Massive open range gap. Pull that up there to there. And then go back to electronic trading hours. So this is our opening range gap. But it's looking like we might. I think we do come down before we go any higher, possibly. I mean, we can wait for confirmation. But on the 1 minute, do we have any 1 minute S&T at the open? Go back to trading hours. There we go. So ES fill in this 15-minute fair value gap. NQ hasn't tapped into it yet. I'm going to mark this out as a grey area. So yeah, we've got a massive opening range gap here. It's like 400 point gap. So we might want to fill this, we might leave it open, who knows. Obviously this is quite a low resistance liquidity run. So there's all this liquidity resting at these internal lows here. Here. I would probably target the 50% of the opening range gap. But yeah, we had this buy side swept here. to a 5 minute quick. See if we've got any higher time frame SMT. So yeah, we've got SMT here. Top. Yeah. Wait, what? Top center. SMT, yes. On the 5 minute. So we want to see some PD arrays fail, so we'd want to see this 15-minute fair value gap get inverted, or close below the 50% would be nice for a short. So yeah, we had liquidity sweep, we've got SMT here on the 5. An inversion of this on the 15. Could just enter off an inversion on the 15, stop at the high of the fair value gap, and just target the 50% here. We've got a lot of room to move down here. So that's 7 minutes. We've got left of this 15-minute candle. Run up prior to 9:30, open. 9:30 opened, and we're either filling this to go higher, or we'll invert it and go lower and fill this open range gap. There's SMT there. Yeah. Look at this on the 15. Yeah, it's definitely weaker. Good bottom. SMT. Yes. It's actually quite a strong push up here in reaction to this fair value gap. What would this look like? So there's a 1.5 and then to there's a 3.83. I think I might enter along here actually. See if we retrace into this fair value gap. Just following bullish price action essentially. Probably going to go for this buy side here. See if we get a retracement into this fair value gap. Got our SMT. NQ's just running it up. Had that 15-minute fair value gap filled and then big rejection off of it. 3-minute chart. We might just continue to run higher here. Strong close on the 1 minute. Yeah, we might not even get our entry here. It might just run for this buy side, which is fine. I don't need to be in a trade. New 3-minute candle. Could still get our fill. We would obviously take partials here and then take the full up here. I think the mistake we made with my last trade on stream is we hit partials and then we didn't move our stop to break even. I think once we've hit our partial, we should probably move stops to break even. That way we're fully in profit and we can just sort of defend our profit. We might get our fill here though. Not sure if it will tick into this or not. There you go. So there's our fill. So we're going to put a sell limit in here. Sell limit of 3 in here. At that buy side. And then another 3 here. If we get there. And then put a sell stop 3 there. At the low. This low here. Again, we've come down and filled all of this, so we shouldn't come down here. Again, since this is all filled, we've wicked it quite well there. So we just wait and see. Probably only end up taking 1 trade today. Look for an inversion here. hopefully we can invert this. New 15-minute candles. How did that 15-minute candle close? Yeah, very strong. Just want to see continuation for this next 15 minutes. Hopefully we can invert this on the 1 minute now. Closed above the 50%. And then, yeah. There's not really much to talk about here. Again, I'm going with, bullish price action. Price action's bullish, it's been bullish, so continuation. It's obviously hunting some sort of buy side, which you've got here. But we've got buy side here, and then we've got this daily fair value gap. So that's what I'm looking for. And then we also got SMTES has just gone down. NQ seems to be holding. What's DXY doing? DXY. We might actually get stopped out here then. DXY is going up. ES has just gone down at the open, but NQ's held, so we won't move our stop, we'll just hold it. The only way I'll move my stop is if we hit this buy side here, or close above this, then I'll just move my stop to protect my trade. And there's this 15-minute fair value gap here. Seems to be digging into again. Looking on the higher time frame, there's not really much to worry about. We've got to stop at the lower of that FEG. Preferably price should have just moved off of this by now and gone for this buy side, but yeah. The thing is, personally, with these big opening range gaps, is what I've seen is sometimes we just leave them for later on in the week or the following week. Then they might just get left to get filled later on. If we have like a small opening range gap, it normally does get filled, or like 75% of it will get filled. But when the opening range gap is this big, it does tend to just sort of leave it. I mean, I could give you an example if I went back in price, but I won't go back now. But yeah, could hunt our stop here. There's an order block here. Probably will hunt our stop here. Yeah, there's our stop. So yeah, price might just go lower here, I'm assuming. 15-minute fair value gap. remove this, and let's remove this. I think what we'd need is just a 15-minute inversion. To go lower. Yeah, it's looking like we're probably just going to unfold lower. I might just enter a short off of here. We got any SMT? 1 minute. It's just a unicorn, essentially. We need a break below this low. And then something like that. Down to the 50%. Four contracts there. Yeah, I'm just going to try this short. Doesn't look like price wants to go higher. Let me zoom out quick. Buy side. Probably going to be an inversion here. I mean, price is just dropping, so get rid of that. Don't know what the fuck that's doing. And then we'll just fill this opening range gap, at least to the 50% of it. Yeah. So this is just a unicorn, basically. So that's our unicorn. Entered on a unicorn. We're just going to target this. The 50% of the opening range gap. Draw out the fair value gap that I entered on. There. So there's that fair value gap. Put my stop here because this is all balanced. All this price actions here is balanced. This got filled. Went lower. We inverted these on the 1 minute. ES is filling this. So we'll just see how this plays out. And I only take 2 trades a day, so I don't take more than 2 trades. So this will be our final trade of the day. No matter the outcome, if we get a win or a loss, this is our final trade of the day. little fair value up in here. And then this order block here. Order block. FEG. Balance in this price range. So if we get stopped out here, it'll probably be a very short stream, because I'll just end stream so that I don't get enticed to get into any more trades. I'll just step away from the charts for the day. Yeah, so I've got a high time frame. 5 minute fair value gap, yeah. Bang. Filled. Stops in a safe place. And just see how this 5 minute closes. Look at that hourly, because we're going to have an hourly close here. Yeah, see, swept that and we haven't closed above it. I'm going to make this a bit lighter. It's a bit too light. I don't really know what else to talk about. There isn't really much else to talk about. Price is just... don't know, sort of just chilling here at the moment. Yeah. Would have liked to see us just expand lower from this fair value gap a bit quicker. New hourly candle as well. We're just chopping about right now. You know what I probably should do is get access to a full trading view subscription, and that will allow me to look at a 15-second chart. I just feel like the 15-second chart is actually really good. So there's our stop. So yeah, we're done for the day. That's 2 failed trades. Market's just chopping about. It probably will run lower later. Yeah, I've not really got much to say. I think first trade probably should have waited for the opening range. So maybe let the first, which I will do in the future, let the first sort of, where is it? So from 9:30 to 10, just let price play out. And then see what happens after 10 o'clock, and maybe we can enter our trades after 10. I think this, I mean, it's obviously a unicorn. I'm not, this trade we probably could have waited for. We probably shouldn't have taken the first trade. This trade's completely valid. I don't really see anything wrong with that. We had buy side liquidity get swept, close below here, enter on a fair value gap. It's just unfortunate. You don't always get what you want. But I might be live tomorrow, might not be live, so I will be back tomorrow possibly. Yeah, adios.